What's up, peeps? Welcome to Goth Millie's Cooking Show. What's up, peeps? It's Goth Millie here. My Aunt Millicent's on vacation this week, and she left me in charge of the show. She left me some notes, and I don't know what the heck I'm supposed to do here. So, usually I just eat like frozen pizza or something. Anyway, I want to see what she's got for me to do here. Okay, here we go. Oh, no. I am not wearing this. Absolutely not. Dear Goth Millie, thank you so much for substituting for Aunt Millicent's cooking show. It's my understanding you wanted to make a frozen pizza, but your mother, my sister, says that we should not have a steady diet of frozen pizzas. What? Therefore, I will endeavor to introduce some variety into your diet. I hope it's not broccoli. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make this ravioli using this prepared pasta. You will find this pasta in the refrigerator with some mozzarella cheese and a jar of marinara sauce in the cupboard. Refuse this mission, and Aunt Millicent will not bring you any saltwater taffy from Virginia Beach. What? I love saltwater taffy. I do not want to do this, but saltwater taffy. Okay, fine, I'll make it. Here we go. We got some mozzarella cheese, whatever, and some frozen ravioli, something with pepperoni or something in it. I don't know. Kind of looks like a pizza, but in a little block, whatever. I got this jar of sauce, looks kind of like blood. That's kind of cool, but it says it's marinara, so I guess that goes in. So I guess I should get started. Okay, Aunt Millicent says to preheat the oven to 325. Hopefully I can figure out how to do that. I usually just use a microwave. I have no idea how to use the stove. Okay, check. Now it says to warm up the marinara sauce. I guess that goes on the stove, right? Okay, I'll see what I can do. Okay, check. Next thing, grate a block of mozzarella cheese. I wonder where she keeps the cheese grater. This is really hard work. How do people do this? Oh. It's so hard to be a goth. Just sometimes the darkness just absolutely overwhelms me, and I don't. Oh, geez. Okay, Aunt Millicent, I've grated the cheese. Now what? Boil 3 quarts of water. She expects me to measure that? Give me a break. Okay, back to the stove. Okay, now it says to drain the pasta. Oh, hold on. Hey! Yeah, I'm stuck at my Aunt Millicent's house. She didn't leave me anything to eat. I'm having to make my own dinner. She left me directions. It's so lame. Yeah, my Aunt Millicent, you should see her. You should see all those old dresses she has. She looks like she's like from the 1980s or something. It's so lame. Okay, well, I'll text you pictures, okay? Talk at you later. Bye. Aunt Millicent says, put all that in a casserole dish and bake it until the cheese is melted. I'll try it. Okay, Aunt Millicent left a note and says, this is done when the cheese is melted. So this cheese is definitely melted, so I think it's done. It smells really good, too. It doesn't look like a pizza. So now she says I have to go try it out in the dining room. Okay, so I guess I'll see you in there in a minute. Okay, lamos, we made it into the dining room. Just like Aunt Millicent said, here I am. So what I've got is this stuff that I made. It's not pizza, but it sure smells like it. I think I'm going to try it now. So I'm kind of amazed I didn't burn the kitchen down. I actually think I burned myself. Oh, okay. Well, it's not pizza, but it'll do, I guess. At least till she gets back and buys all the frozen pizzas for us. Anyway, she says in her instructions something about bon appetit. I have no idea what that means. I don't speak Spanish, so you can just figure that out on your own. And she did leave the wine out, which is a good thing. So anyway, my friend that was on the phone, we're going over to Hot Topic later, and I have a whole bunch of new outfits to pick out. So I cannot wait for her to get here. Ooh, it's Aunt Millicent. Saltwater taffy time.